Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Volkswagen Polo, a name that has long stood for precision, comfort, and German craftsmanship, now returns with a stunning evolution that blends luxury and practicality like never before. As the latest generation of this iconic hatchback, the Polo 2026 arrives with a completely reimagined exterior design, enhanced performance, and a level of refinement that places it in the conversation with far more premium cars. At first glance, the Polo looks strikingly elegant, yet youthful. The front fascia now wears Volkswagen's new design language, sharp LED matrix headlights that sweep gracefully into a gloss black grille, giving it a refined, confident face. The lines across the body are clean but purposeful, sculpted to make the car appear wider, lower, and more dynamic on the road. The rear too carries a touch of sophistication with new 3D LED taillights and a chrome strip that runs seamlessly across the hatch, emphasizing its premium stance. The Polo sits confidently on 17-inch diamond-cut alloys that perfectly balance sportiness and class, while the overall aerodynamics are improved to enhance stability and fuel efficiency. Step inside, and you immediately feel Volkswagen's luxury-inspired approach. A cabin designed with an elegance that would not feel out of place in a Rolls-Royce. Soft touch materials stretch across the dashboard. The seats are upholstered in plush eco leather with contrast stitching, and ambient lighting runs through the cabin like a calm, glowing ribbon. The redesigned digital cockpit greets you with a 10.25-inch high-resolution display that integrates seamlessly with the floating 9.2-inch infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, alongside a voice assistant that feels genuinely intuitive. Even the steering wheel feels special, flat-bottomed, leather-wrapped, and equipped with haptic touch controls that make every command effortless. Under the hood, the 2026 Polo carries Volkswagen's trusted engineering heritage. It offers two engine options, a 1.0-liter turbocharged TSI engine and a 1.5-liter Evo turbo engine with active cylinder management. Both powertrains deliver smooth yet energetic acceleration, with the 1.5 Evo capable of reaching 0 to 100 km/h in under 8.2 seconds. The 7-speed DSG automatic transmission shifts with precision almost imperceptible in its transitions, giving the Polo an effortlessly refined drive. On the road, it feels planted and agile, gliding through corners with balance and control thanks to its fine-tuned suspension system and improved steering feedback. The drive is quiet, refined, and confident, a level of serenity that truly makes it feel like a compact luxury vehicle. Volkswagen hasn't compromised on safety either. The Polo 2026 is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features combine with the car's rigid MQB A0 platform to ensure not just comfort, but complete peace of mind. Another highlight of the Polo is its efficiency. Despite its premium drive, the TSI engines are incredibly economical, offering up to 20 km per liter in combined driving. The mild hybrid technology assists with smoother acceleration and reduced CO2 emissions, aligning with Volkswagen's vision of cleaner, more sustainable mobility. The rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and refined comfort, something that earlier Polos lacked. The boot space of 351 liters makes it practical for everyday use, whether it's long highway trips or city errands. Every inch of the Polo feels thoughtfully designed, from the soft door thuds that echo quality, to the panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. The 2026 Volkswagen Polo isn't just a car, it's a statement of understated luxury. It combines the engineering brilliance of Germany with the soul of everyday usability. For those who want the driving precision of a premium sedan but in a compact, versatile form, the Polo stands unmatched. It doesn't shout for attention. It earns it with elegance, performance, and timeless charm. Whether parked in your driveway or gliding through the city streets, the Polo 2026 exudes quiet confidence. A car that blends practicality with sophistication, designed for those who appreciate the finer details in life without needing to prove it. This is Volkswagen's art of balance, where performance meets poise and every drive feels just a little more extraordinary.